Hey everyone, in this video we will review Freetaxusa. Freetaxusa is a popular online tax filing service that offers a simple, user-friendly platform for individuals looking to file their federal and state taxes. It provides a free federal tax filing service for simple returns, which is an appealing option for those who don't have complicated financial situations. The platform also offers affordable pricing for more complex returns, with additional fees for state filing and upgraded features like live support and audit assistance. One of the standout features of Freetaxusa is its step-by-step guidance, which helps users through the process of filing taxes by asking simple questions and providing explanations when needed. The interface is straightforward, making it easy for most people to navigate even if they aren't familiar with tax filing. While Freetaxusa offers many benefits, there are some downsides. The free version does not include all forms, and additional features such as live chat support and audit protection come at an extra cost. Some users may find that customer service options are limited, particularly if they need immediate assistance. Overall, Freetaxusa is a solid choice for those looking for an affordable and efficient way to file taxes, especially for individuals with relatively simple returns. It's particularly appealing for those who want to file their taxes independently without paying for expensive services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.